got positive contact.
Acknowledged. Requesting permission to engage the enemy.
Direct action authorized.
Carter, engage all hostiles. Do not fire on Allied troops. Get those enemy troops over there. Direct hit. Good shot. Kill confirmed. Direct hit. Tango down. That's a kill. Good shot. Kill confirmed. That's a kill. Direct hit. Kill confirmed. Tango down. Direct hit.
Control, you've neared the Edwards Avenue Bridge. KPR troops have taken the area. Secure the bridge.
Copy that, Delta 7. Carter, fire at will. Good shot. That's a kill. Tango down. Good shot. That's a kill.
Control, this is Delta 7. We have enemy activity in the area.
Copy that.
Target neutralize hostiles.
Control, we've got positive contact. Acknowledged. Requesting permission to engage the enemy.
Direct action authorized.
Carter, engage all hostiles. Do not fire on Allied troops. Kill confirmed. Good shot. That's a kill. Direct hit. Kill confirmed. Good shot. Tango down. Direct hit. That's a kill. Kill confirmed. Direct hit. Tango down. Good shot. Kill confirmed. Direct hit. Good shot. That's a kill. Tango down.
You've neared the Edwards Avenue Bridge. KPR troops have taken the area. Secure the bridge.
Copy that, Delta 7. Carter, fire Tango down. Good shot. Direct hit. Delta 7, we've secured the bridge.
Copy. A fire team's going in to rig charges on the bridge.
Understood. We'll watch for friendlies.
We have enemy reinforcements approaching the bridge.
Acknowledged. Delta 7, KPR troops are inbound.
Defend our fire team at all costs!
Kill confirmed. That's a kill. Direct hit. Good shot. Kill confirmed. Tango down. That's a kill. Good shot.
Delta 7, we place explosives under the bridge. Copy that, Torres! Regroup with your platoon!
Roger that. Direct hit. Tango down. Kill confirmed.
Delta 7, we've linked up with the platoon. Copy! Charges have been set! We're going to demo the bridge! AC-130 team! Nice work! AC-130 team, this is Delta 9. Third platoon is on the shore side of the General S.D. Butler Bridge and is requesting assistance.
Roger that. Pilot, get us to Butler Bridge.
Copy.
Why do I know that name?
One of the most decorated military men in our nation's history. Back in '34, he prevented a coup against FDR. Wait, someone tried to overthrow Roosevelt? True story. We're nearing the bridge.
Direct hit.
Control, we've got hostiles on the ground.
Copy that. Carter, direct action is authorized.
AC-130 team, we've arrived at Butler Bridge.
Delta 9, we've arrived. Ready for interdiction.
Control, clear and secure a landing zone on the harbor side of the bridge.
Copy that. Delta 9, we've secured the LZ.
Copy that. Mendoza, your fire team is cleared for action. Roger that, Delta 9. Moving in. Control, the fire team is going to place charges under the Butler Bridge. Provide support for them.
Copy that. Carter, cover the fire team as they demo the bridge. Contact on enemy forces. Take them down. Friendlies are wearing strobe lights. Don't shoot them. That's a kill. Tango down.
Son of a bitch! We just lost an allied helo.
Remain focused on protecting the fire team. Kill confirmed. Direct hit. Good shot. Tango down. That's a kill. Good shot. Direct hit. That's a kill. Kill confirmed. Good shot. shot. Tango down. Kill confirmed. That's a kill. Tango down. Good shot. Kill confirmed. Tango down. Direct hit. Hostile forces approaching. Kill confirmed. Tango down. Good shot. That's a kill.
Control, do you have a visual on the oil refinery?
Affirmative.
It's not a viable target. Can't risk hitting it.
Roger that. Carter, do not fire on the oil refinery near the bridge. Again, do not hit the refinery. Kill confirmed. Direct hit. Good shot. That's a kill. Direct hit. Good shot. Kill confirmed.
Delta 9, we've set the charges. Copy that. Regroup with the platoon.
That's a kill. Direct hit. Good shot. Kill confirmed.
Delta 9 whirling, Cap. Light him if you got him. Charges set to detonate.
Direct hit.
Thanks for the support, AC-130 team. We've been cleared to neutralize all hostile installations.
Carter, engage the enemy at will. KPR vehicles inbound. Good shot. Tango down. That's a kill. Fire on those enemy soldiers right there. Kill confirmed. Tango down. That's a kill. Vehicle destroyed. Incoming hostile troops.
This is Turner. We're pinned down in the middle of Morningstar Bridge. Got KPR troops on either side.
We're coming in to provide support. Pilot, take us to the bridge.
Copy that. Heading to Morningstar Bridge.
I can't believe we're blowing up American bridges.
After we kick the hell out of these bastards,
Direct hit.
everything. We did it before.
When? Kill confirmed.
1814. The enemy burned the White House and the rest of the Capitol to the ground. First things first.
Tango
Put these
down.
guys in body bags. Then we rebuild. We've arrived at Morningstar Bridge.
Captain Turner, we're in position.
Acknowledged. We've set explosives on the bridge, and the countdown's already started. We need to get to the shore. Can you send the herd a little?
Affirmative. Carter, clear a path so that Anvil Company can get to the shore side of the bridge. That's a kill. Kill confirmed. Turner, we've weakened the KPR forces. Make your way through.
Watch our backs, Control. We're going in.
Tango down. Good shot. That's a kill. Kill confirmed. Tango down. Good shot. Kill confirmed. That's a kill. Good shot. Direct hit.
Control, we've got KPR troops moving in from the shore. They're blocking Turner's team.
God damn it. Turner, this is Control. Hostiles moving on your position.
Copy that. Can we get some air support?
On it. Carter, take out those enemy reinforcements. Enemy vehicle down. That's a kill. Good shot.
We made it. Thanks for the support.
Try crossing that bastards.
We're still taking fire down here.
Copy that. Carter, seek and destroy the remaining hostiles. Kill confirmed. That's a kill. Good shot.
No enemy presence in the area. Thanks for the support, people.
Glad we could help. Okay, get us back to base.
Heading back home.
Nice work, people. These sons of bitches require extreme sanction. We've got to stay sharp if we're gonna take our country back.